Hey guys, it's Nathan here with MA Performance. Today's 5 Minute Friday video, we're going to be talking about the Grimmspeed Top Mount Intercooler for the 2015 model year and up WRX. As you can see, this is our core. Pretty small, you know, it does the job, but obviously we can do better. Let's take a peek at it. Now that we got everything out of the box, let's kind of take a peek at what we get with this kit. As you can see, this is our OEM one. It's small, it does the job, but obviously we can do better. That's what this Grimmspeed here is for. This is a particular bar and plate setup. It helps cooling down far better than your traditional intercooler. On your street days, you know, track days, drag days, whatever you're doing, cruising with the buddies, it's a hot summer day, your intake temps are gonna go up with this setup. On a bar and plate, those intake temps are gonna stay down, keeping your ride performing the way it should. So obviously in the kit, you're gonna get the duct pieces. This particular piece attaches to your hood. This particular piece attaches to the top of the intercooler once you have it installed. Again, everything's direct fit, no modifications need to be done to have it do its job, serve its purpose. And some weather stripping on here as well, and a coupler to make sure everything has a nice clean finish on it. As you can see, this particular one, I mean, look at the welds on it. They're a piece of artwork. They look gorgeous, no porosity anywhere. Top quality finish from our boys at Grimmspeed. They do a fantastic job every time. So if you're looking for an intercooler upgrade, definitely consider the Grimmspeed. Jump online, click the link below, and take a peek what we have to offer. Give us a call Monday through Friday, 6 to 6. Those are the sales hours. You may talk to myself. I'd be more than happy to help you out, answer any technical questions you may have. But yeah, it's direct bolt up. Keep those intake temps down. Stay cool this summer, guys. Take it easy.